Clouds of Dukhan, or Smoke from East to West, by Maulana Wahiduddin Khan. In a tradition, the Prophet of Islam mentioned 10 indicators signaling the approach of doomsday, one of the last being smoke, or Dukhan. Hudayfa bin Usaid al-Ghifari reported, God's messenger said, the last hour will not come until you see 10 signs before, and in this connection, he made a mention of the smoke. The same is predicted in the Quran in these words. Watch out for a day when the sky brings out plainly visible clouds of smoke that will envelop the people. This will be a painful punishment. The above Quranic verse and various traditions of the Prophet of Islam predict visible clouds of Dukhan, or smoke, as one of the major signs of the coming of doomsday. On the 14th of April, 2010, a volcano erupted all of a sudden from beneath the glaciers in Iceland, an island in the North Atlantic about 200 miles southeast of Greenland. So much ash was emitted that it spread throughout the greater part of Europe's atmosphere. Darkness enveloped the entire region, leading to the grounding of thousands of flights in the region. The ash that is seen from satellite images appear to be a visible cloud of smoke. It is therefore entirely possible that the ash thrown up by the volcanic eruption is the smoke which was predicted in the Quran and Hadith traditions. The 21st century is witnessing a substantial increase of volcanic activity. Scientists are also confirming that global warming is leading to increased volcanic activity in the form of lava and ash that leads to a thick visible smoke in the sky. On the 19th of September 2021, the Cumbre Vieja volcano erupted on the Spanish Canary island of La Palma, sending lava shooting into the air and streaming in rivers towards houses in 2 villages from the Cumbre Vieja National Park in the south of the island. Plumes of thick black smoke, which are blocking the sun. A tradition of the Prophet of Islam states that the smoke will last for 40 days. There will be smoke, Dukhan, that fills the space from east to west and will last 40 days. The 40 days of smoke referred to in the above tradition may refer to the plumes of thick black smoke blocking the sun of the La Palma volcano. Japan's volcanic Mount Asu started erupting on Wednesday, the 20th of October, 2021. Blasting ash several miles into the sky. A massive column of gray smoke is billowing into the sky, according to ABC News. Television networks broadcasting images of a dark cloud of ash looming over the volcano that quickly obscured large swaths of the mountain. According to a hadith, smoke will rise before doomsday, which will fill the east and the west. This tradition clearly refers to the spreading of a cloud of smoke from east to west. The plume of thick clouds of volcanic ash spreading in the east in Japan and in the west in the Spanish Canary Islands may be the realization of this tradition, which is one of the last signs of doomsday. If we stop and ponder that these predictions made 1,500 years ago in the 7th century are being realized in the 21st century, we will discover the creator of the world as only he could have foreseen these events and predicted them as the signs of doomsday. History shows that probably other signs, as are mentioned in the Hadith, have already appeared. The sign of Dukhan is probably the last but one sign. The final sign, which is going to appear, is perhaps the rising of the sun from the west. The angel Israfil will then blow the trumpet at some point. Global warming, scarcity of water, greater frequencies of earthquakes, floods, Dukhan or smoke, etc., are in the nature of lesser punishments. Now, Circumstances tell us that the last hour has come for man to take heed before it is too late for him to reform himself.